YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. We're outside, we're having some fun. I'm gonna do a little bit more exciting. I feel like my channel has kind of been a lot of tinkering and I kind of want to use my cars and drive fast and have fun. So we have the completely stock Celica GTS. We're gonna be getting this on a dyno soon, but I wanted to do some 0 to 60 runs to show you guys how quick it is or how not quick it is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a couple polls and I'll do a film outside. You guys will see me do the flyby. And then you guys will also see me jump right inside of the car. So I'll do, and you'll be able to watch the tack to see how quick it goes. We'll just do a couple of 0 to 60, so like first and second gear, a little bit of third. Not too crazy fast. But I did want to show you guys this because I feel like we've been stuck in the garage lately and I got a bunch of fun cars and I wanted to take you guys out here. And I thought this would be a video that you like. So 0 to 60 in a Celica GTS, let's see how fast it is. I don't know if I can get a timer on my little videos. I'll see if I can find one. If not, you guys can use the down below to see how quick or how slow the Celica is. You can start it at the timer mark and then watch how fast it goes. I think I can get like under 6 seconds. I think I can get like a 5.9. I know that they're rated for 7, but that's just not good driving. That's not landing lift. I got the new short shifter. So let's go ahead and jump in the car real quick and see how fast this goes. And I'll do some revs too. So we'll start out with the revs first.
Go! Recording.
Really good. Well, you pop the hood and we'll figure it out. Well, let's not do it real right.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna murder you!
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. We're gonna do one more on-way, on-ramp. I don't know how fast it is. I had a couple that were really good ones. I think that they're under 6 seconds. I really do, which is pretty okay. If it's like 5.9, I'm happy with that. That's pretty good, actually. That being said, for completely stock, that's pretty darn good. That being said, the brakes were smoking a little bit. They got pretty hot because I was going all the way up and then slamming it and going all the way down. The brakes I personally think should be replaced on this vehicle. When I got the car, he said, oh, he just had everything checked out by Toyota, even the brakes. The brakes aren't that good. They're not very good on this car, I gotta be honest. So I'm thinking about doing cross-drilled and slotted brakes, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And then also painting the rotors like a candy apple red. I think that'd look really good. And then maybe put like a Brembo sticker or something like that on there. That being said, let's do one more on-ramp pull, and then we'll wrap it up. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you for more Celica content. One more on-ramp pull.
All right, just started.
Well, that's fine. I don't really ever worry about the cars back there because it's not like this car's so fast I'll catch up to it. All right, there we go. We're gonna merge.